Good morning, this is Paul Reiber with Freedom Motors USA in Battle Creek, Michigan, and we are looking at a wheelchair accessible 2017 Kia Soul with an automatic power rear ramp. It's only got 5,000 miles on this particular unit. We have hundreds of wheelchair accessible vehicles in stock. This is just one of many. We offer a huge selection of really cool, innovative, and different vehicles, crossovers, SUVs, Kia Sorentos, Kia Souls, Chevy Suburban, Chevy Silverados. Now Garrett is going to demonstrate here how to back up on a wheelchair ramp from your chair. With this automatic rear entry ramp, you're able to have the freedom to travel and go wherever you please by yourself without depending on public transportation or family or friends to cart you around. Check that out. So easy to get in and out. Now we have the option of a power transfer seat from the driver, so the seat here comes all the way back. I actually have another video. If you go to my YouTube page, you can see another video where I demonstrate where I drove the wheelchair into the vehicle and then transferred into the driver's seat. So check out my YouTube page for that other demonstration. Check it out. With just a push of a button, ramps back up, and you're on your way to explore the world, have fun, and have the freedom to travel where you please. Again, this is Paul coming to you from Freedom Motors USA in Battle Creek, Michigan. If you're interested in a wheelchair accessible vehicle, please give us a call, 1-800-625-6335. That's 1-800-625-6335. Visit our website at freedommotors.com and please subscribe to my page. Thanks for watching my video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.